Hello friends, my name is Vanna and I am going to talk to you about my experiences about this organization. હું આ સંસ્થા સાથે 7 મહિના પહેલા જોડાઈ હતી અને 7 મહિના પહેલા મારામાં ખૂબ જ કોન્ફિડન્સનો અભાવ હતો. ત્યારબાદ મેં નીરવ સર પાસે ટીચર્સ ટ્રેનિંગ પ્રોગ્રામ કર્યો. આ પ્રોગ્રામ કર્યા બાદ મારામાં ખૂબ જ કોન્ફિડન્સ ડેવલપ થયો છે અને હું પોતે પણ ટીચર્સ ટ્રેનિંગ પ્રોગ્રામ કરી રહી છું અને સ્ટુડન્ટને ટ્રેન પણ કરું છું. વી ઓલવેઝ સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ ધ પ્રેયર. વી આર યુઝિંગ કોમ્પ્યુટર, વી આર યુઝિંગ સ્લાઇડ પ્રોજેક્ટર ઓલ્સો. નીરવ સર છે એ માત્ર અંગ્રેજી જ નથી શીખવાડતા, પણ અંગ્રેજીની સાથે સાથે તમે તમારું કેરિયર કેવી રીતે વિકસાવશો, તમે તમારો બિઝનેસ કેવી રીતે આગળ વધારશો અને તમે તમારું જીવન કેવી રીતે સફળ બનાવશો, આ બધી જ બાબતોનું ધ્યાન રાખી અને માર્ગદર્શન આપે છે. સો ફ્રેન્ડ, આઈ હોપ યુ વિલ વિઝિટ અવર એકેડેમી. થેન્ક યુ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ.
I am Manish Kumar. I am a student of Nirav Gadhi sir. He is a good orator.
Hello friends, my name is Ankur Panchal and I am from Rajpipla. I want to say something about Nirav sir. He is very good at English and
that this is very well training program by Ganesh sir and other and whole AMW team. That's all.
Nirav sir's English spoken class is really awesome and the way of teaching is also fabulous.
Hi, my name is Sunil Bhandari. I am from Uttarakhand, Dehradun, and about sir's class, I like his smile very much.
Hi, I am Rajni Negi from Dehradun. I like the prayer most. Hi, I am Simran Gupta and I like prayer most and videos. Thank you.
In Nirav Gadhi sir's, I like most his voice, his thoughts and way of teaching which was very beautiful. And one thing I want to share, I want to ask for sir that Delhi hai dil walon ki, so please come here.
And I got my confidence raised and this classes improve my fluency, word power, and we learn English through videos, and I think that is the best way to teach.
I have no words about Nirav sir because Nirav sir is great.
His teaching technology is the best.
The teaching style is very good. Laughing style is, I like it.
He is the best teacher. He gives opportunity to everybody.
Hello, myself Arun Sharma. I belong to Delhi and the teaching style of Nirav sir is far different from the old traditional one. He is, you can say, he is the modern teacher. He uses more video clips, more generating motivation stories.
Hello, my name is Hemant Kumar. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. Nirav sir is a best teacher in all Rajasthan or Gujarat.
Nirav sir is the best teacher in training department.
Hi friends, teachers are such an important part of our life because they are the ones who instill confidence in you, who give you lots of values which are very important in life and building your personality. So I think that is why we respect and love our teachers so much. I also respect and adore one of the teachers who has been an important part in the entire process of the growth and development of Eva as a person, and I would like to take his name. His name is Mr. Nirav Gadhi. He has his personality development academy in Bhuj, Kutch, and I met him many years ago when I was in 12th standard and I had participated in one of the personality contests which he had held, and since then I have been lucky to be under his guidance throughout my career, and till date I do get a lot of things to learn, not just about my career but about life. So I would like to thank this teacher of mine, Mr. Nirav, who has been a friend, a guide, a philosopher in the true sense. Thank you, Nirav.